Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam free online classes. How are you all? Nice? Okay, today we have a very short and sweet lesson on exponents and powers. In algebra, we are introduced to it earlier, just in continuation with what? So, here you have already seen about fractions is a part of a whole, right? There are three types of fraction called proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Decimals also is a part of the whole in the terms of decimal points. When you say 0.5, it is half, correct? And addition of the decimals, subtraction, multiplication, division. Fractions also addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You studied, right? So, some basic knowledge is needed. And algebra is a branch of mathematics which deals with the, come on, algebraic terms like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. and algebraic expressions. When you say expressions, there will be monomials having one term, binomials having two terms, trinomials having three terms, and so on. And these algebraic formulas go a long way in solving arithmetic problems. That is why we say algebra is a simplified arithmetic. So, that algebra formula help for solving the problems of arithmetic by what are called as formulas. For example, you have a formula called I is equal to PTR by 100. What is the formula is about? This formula is for rate of interest. What is P? Principal. What is T? Time. What is the R? Rate of interest. So, this formula makes the problem to solve easily. And there will be what is called as standard forms also. Suppose you have a number like 123, you can write in terms of exponents. This is 100th place, 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3, that is what is called as place values. So, when you write in exponent form, 1 into 10 square, 2 into 10 to the power of 1 and 3 into 10 to the power of 0. That is exponential form. And also very big numbers can be written shortly by what is called as standard forms. Distance between earth and the sun, distance between earth and the moon, or diameter of the sun, etc., etc. So, all these can be written in the form of exponents. Now, let us see the meaning of the word power. Okay, we have seen the power. What is this? This is nothing but flow of ice water. So, how many heard about mountaineering, climbing Himalayas? So, Himalaya is one of the coolest places, is it not, in our country? Here is a person who is climbing the Himalaya. And what is this white color? They are all icebergs. Now, what is he doing? He is having a axe, just making a grip. By using this axe, he makes a grip and move on ice. The temperature will be minus 15, minus 20, etc. Do you know who is the person who went to Himalaya first? Tenzing Norgay, Edmund Hillary of New Zealand, Tenzing Norgay of our country. They are the first men to climb the Mount Everest, the topmost. Here the meaning is about power. How the human power is made use of to climb a tallest mountain in the world. Okay. And similarly, this power is made use of in vehicles also. You might have heard about car races, bike races, is it not? There you use the word power brake is there. So let us see how this car moves now. This is a race car, this is a slow motion, slowly it is going. Okay. So here that will be what is called, see, thousands are seeing this car race, and the car will move in all type of roads, and there they will have what is called as power brake, and it will be moving in all nooks and corners. Okay. So, it is one of the interesting things in life, using the word power. So, you have electric power, you have muscular power, this is engine power. Okay. And also nowadays power shoes are coming up with lot of grips, especially those who go for running or going for a football match and all, they will have power shoes. Why do they use it? Just to make a grip strong. Here also the cars have got very good grip. That is why this is shown here. So with this small videos will come about the exponents. So mass of earth is given to be like this. So this is written in the form of standard form conveniently as 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. So instead of writing so many zeros here, actually there are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 followed by 4 places here. So you can write it as, this is called a standard form. So such a big number, difficult to remember also, and it must be go on counting zeros also, but simply they can be written as 5.97 10 to the power of 24 kgs. In this 10 to the power of 24, 10 is called a base, we already studied in the previous class, and 24 is called the exponent, or what we call as power. So it can be read as 10 to the power of 24. 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 means it is followed by 24 digits after 5. So that is the way of writing things. Now if you have 3 to the power of 5, what does it mean? It means 3 should be written how many times? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 to the power of 5. And 3 to the power of m means what? 3 into 3 into 3 dot dot dot. How many times? M times. Correct? Similarly, you can have 2 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 5, anything. So this number is called as base. This is called index, or also called as exponent. Correct? Now what about negatives? Suppose you have 10 to the power of minus 1, what do you call it? 1 by 10. And what about 10 to the power of minus 2? Means 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. That is 1 by 100. So 1 by 10 square. 10 to the power of minus 2 means 1 by 10 square. Correct? And suppose you have 10 to the power of minus 3. That becomes 1 by 10 cube. 10 to the power of minus 4. 1 by 10 to the power of 4. We call it as inverse numbers. and see 10 to the power minus 3 is 1 by 100 is already there, 1 by 10 square divided by 10. When divided by 10 it becomes into 1 by 10, reciprocal of that. So 1 by 1000, that is 1 by 10 cube. Like that you can extend, and now consider the following: 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Okay. So what is 3 square? 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9, that is 27 by 3. Okay. And that is 3 square. 3 cube is you have to multiply 3 times. So how do you got 3 square? When 27 is divided by 3, that is the meaning. And 3 to the power of 1 means what? That is 3. Value of 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Means 3 is multiplied by 1 times. How do you get it? That is 3 square by 3. That is 9 by 3. And what about 0 then? 0 is the value of 3 to the power of 0 is 1. And how do you got it? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 becomes 1. So this is a very important thing. Anything to the power of 0. Suppose you have a to the power of 0 is also 1. X to the power of 0 is 1. And suppose you have idli to the power of 0 is 1. Anything bag to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. That is a very important formula as far as exponent is concerned. So looking at the above pattern, we say 3 to the power of minus 1 means, so we are reducing the powers or exponents. It was 3 here, it became 2 here, 1 here, 0 here, minus here. How do you get minus? The answer of the value of 3 to the power of 0 is 1, divided by again 3, it becomes 1 by 3, or you can say reciprocal of 3. So what about 3 to the power of minus 2? 1 by 3 by 3, 1 by 3 square, that is the meaning. And what about minus 3? 1 by 3 square by 3. 1 by 3 square into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 cube, correct? So like that you can go on doing, not only with 3, it may be with base 2 also, base 4 also, base 5 also, you can go on doing it, right? So this is a very, very interesting formula or result of this. And now in general, what you can say? We can say that for any non-zero integer a should not be 0, that is very important. Any one number 1 or 2 or 3 or like that, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, where m is a positive integer and a to the power minus m is a multiplicative inverse of, so this is called multiplicative inverse. Suppose you have 10 to the power of say minus 3, the multiplicative inverse of 10 cube, that is the meaning. Say 5 to the power of minus 4 is the multiplicative inverse of, come on, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4, like that. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, inverse means what? 1 by, that is the meaning. That is how you get it. So that is one thing. Now coming to second point, as we started our discussion, we learnt how to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 1234 in expanded form. That is what you studied in previous classes, primary classes. So here this is unit place, this is tens place, hundredth place, thousandth place. So you must start with 1000, 1 into 10 cube, that is 1000, 2 into 100, that is 10 square, 3 into 10, 10 to the power of 1, and 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So, this is unit place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. So, 1234 can be written in the form of, that is how you are using indexes or exponents, correct? Like that, suppose you have decimal here, 1234.56. How you write it? This can be written as, so in the place of 1 into 10 cube, because it is 1000 place, plus 2 into, come on, write down, writing down, okay, this is 100 place, then 10th place, then comes units place, that is 10 to the power of 0. We told no, anything to the power of 0 is 1. And then you have decimal point, 0.5. What shall I write? First decimal place, 10 to the power of -1. What is 6? Second decimal place. That is all. That is how you are writing. The question is, you have to express this in powers of 10. This is in powers of 10. So, units place, tens place, hundredth place, 1000 place. When you come to right side, this is called first decimal place, this is called second decimal place, correct? So, here you must note that 10 to the power of 1 minus 1 means 1 by 10, 10 to the power of minus 2 means 1 by 10 square, that is 100, like that. What about 10 to the power of minus 3? 1 by 1000 or 1 by 10 cube, correct? So, like that. So, I think most of you understood this, correct? Now, we will pass on to home assignments. First question, find the multiplicative inverse of 10 to the power of minus 5, 5 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 100. Then second question, expand the following numbers using exponents. Okay, this you have to write in the form of exponents. Just now you have seen it, correct? So, now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Doing good deeds will never reap bad results. Wickedness will never yield good results, good fruits. So, we must try to do good always. See good, do good, be good. He will also told, will the neem seed produce mango fruits? Neem seeds are like bad deeds. If you put a neem seed today, only neem tree will come, but not mango tree, and you won't get mango fruits. At the same time, if you put a mango seed here, you will not get neem fruits, you get only mango fruits. Means good actions, good fruit, bad actions, bad fruit. That is why Baba says, see good, do good, be good. This is the way to God, correct? So, come prepared with the homework, home assignments. Thank you.